Hey, Stephanie Arcady here. I'm so glad that y'all tuned in. I had to shoot this video real quick. It's not a rant. I'm calling it a rant, but it's not a rant. I was just spending a little time on Facebook, and you know, I had mixed emotions when it came to Facebook. You know, there's people that you actually know that Facebook keeps you connected. You know what one another are doing. You can kind of keep up with them, kind of experience what they're going through, good and bad. You know what I'm saying? And that feels good because you don't feel so disconnected. And then there's times that you feel like you're on Facebook and you're not getting any attention, you know, no one's paying any attention to what you're doing. But that's not the reason why I want to shoot this video. The reason I want to shoot this video is because I'm loving to see the grind that some of my family members and my friends are on, the mindset that you're in, the things that you're pursuing. I just wanted, this is a personal message to you. Don't stop. Stay on your grind. Don't worry about who knows you, who's down for you, who's liking you, who doesn't like you, who agrees with what you're doing. Stay on your grind because your dreams are your dreams, and you accomplishing your dreams are the only thing that's going to help you sleep good at night. Not if somebody agrees with it or they follow you or you agree. Another person posted a post. I'm stuttering. I'm sorry. Another person posted a post. Kathy, we call her KT, love her, miss her, awesome writer, beautiful voice. She said that she realized that people think differently, that we just really don't think different, you know, that we don't think the same, and that's real talk. We don't think the same, and be cool with that. Be cool with that. You're to be different. God made you original anyway. Just like your fingerprint is identical to you, so is your personality. There is no other you. Stay on your grind, your mindset training, your personal development, your prayer, your meditation, you seeking God's true purpose in your life, the love that you have for others, being the best mother and sister and husband and wife and co-worker and friend that you can possibly be, whatever it is you're pursuing. Stay on your grind. 2014 is going to be the best year for a lot of people. And I'm paying attention, I'm watching you, and I will see you on the beaches of the world. I love you guys.